Morning, everyone. This is Jason. We're going to look at how to solve a system by graphing real quick. There's a couple ways to do this. We can plot points. We can turn these into slope-intercept form and use a slope and y-intercept. Sometimes you might want to use a combination. For these, I'm going to show you how to use, and this is GeoGebra Classic, by the way. It's a great tool for doing any kind of graphing. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a kind of a combination of techniques. We're going to take these x plus 2y equals 2, and we're going to find the intercepts. So the x-intercept here is 2, and the y-intercept is 1. And then we're going to find the slope as well. So to find the slope, there's a little trick we can use. We can find the slope by doing m equals the opposite of a over b. So opposite of a is 1, b is 2. So m is -1 over 2. So that's a really quick trick we can use to find the slopes and the intercepts. We look at the second equation. We've got 3x plus 2y equals -6. We've got an x-intercept at -2. We got a y-intercept at -3. And then again, find the slope, and will be the opposite of a over b. So in this case, the opposite of 3, which is -3 over 2. And we're going to kind of use a combination of these so that we can find the graph and find that accurate intercept, or where those two lines cross. So, and I'm using GeoGebra just because it's quick and easy for me. But if I use this point tool, I can plot these points here. So I can plot x equals 2 right there. I can plot y equals 1 right there. And now I can use the slope to find other points. Now remember, you can use the slope both directions. I can go down 1, right 2 and find points, or I can go up 1, left 2. And sometimes you need to go both directions. So there is a series of points, and that's going to be all of the points for that line. If I use my line tool here, I just take 2 points and connect it, and I get the graph of that line. So we're going to go to the second line and do the same thing. I'm going to plot some points. I'm going to plot x equals -2, y equals -3. And you see, if I only go this direction, the down 3, 1, 2, 3, left or right 2, I'm never going to find that intersection. So I have to be able to go both directions with this. So if I go from this point, I can go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and there's the intersection right there. So I know these points are going to intersect right there. And I can, draw my line, and you see that the intersection is right there. So that's a quick and easy way to do that intersection. And let me get rid of that. And then let me get my pointer tool here. So I can tell right there that that point is -4, 3 is the intersection. So I hope this helps you graphing and finding that point of intersection. Make sure when you're using the slope that you go both directions, plot as many points as you can, and that'll help you find that intersection. If this doesn't help, please let me know, and I'll try to find you some additional resources to help you out.